cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo.
Yeah, I'm so nappy.
M.O.B.
Cause that be
The
natural. I
infamous.
ain't looking tacky cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fabu, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoos, stuck in these beans like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is jersey on that cartoon and I'm still on top. Hey guys, and welcome back to Afros and Baby Hairs. And today we're doing a quick and easy protective style for curlies, and this is Robin's wash day. So we're gonna start off with some warm water. We're just spraying this on her braids. She's had these up for a few days and her hair is itchy, dry. She has some dandruff going on, a whole bunch of she hasn't had her hair washed in about 2 weeks because she was coughing a little bit and I didn't want to wash her hair. So anyway, I'm just adding some coconut oil to my hands so that I can take down these braids after spraying that warm water on them. And that's what we'll be doing in these particular clips. So yeah, I'm just repeating the same steps on the opposite side. And once we get this coconut oil and this warm water saturated into her hair, we're going to go ahead and shampoo and condition her hair with the Dove Nourishing Rituals Coconut and Hydration Shampoo and Conditioner. So that's what we'll be doing next. So now that we have washed and conditioned her hair, we're going to go ahead and follow that up with a deep conditioner. And I wanted to add some protein to our hair. So we're going to use the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Deep Treatment Mask. And I'm just going to be applying that to her hair in these clips. And then once we get it applied, we're going to go ahead and let her sit under the heat cap for about 30 minutes and let this penetrate into her strands. And then we're going to wash that out and move forward. As a reminder, make sure that you're combing the deep conditioner through the hair, the length of the hair, to make sure that it's properly distributed. And also make sure that you bag the hair before you sit under the heat cap. So yeah, I just wanted to add that in case anyone needs to know that information. Just repeat that same application process to each section of hair that you're working with. Make sure that you're putting enough on the roots as well as the ends of this deep conditioner. And make sure that you're combing it through to make sure that it's properly distributed. I just wanted to repeat that in case someone,
forgets, or you know, if it's your first time coming to the channel. And I did want to say welcome to all of our new subscribers, and thank you for continuing to rock with us. For all of our old subscribers, we really appreciate you. And anyway, that's what we're doing in these clips, the same process. So anyway, so right here, we're adding a plastic processing cap, a vinyl shower cap, as well as using the Tai Chi um, professional conditioning heat cap. She's going to sit up under this heat cap for about 30 minutes to give that deep conditioner opportunity to work. And then we'll move on to rinsing this out. So right here, her hair has been rinsed out, and we're going to start off with this Lustrous Pink Oil Moisturizer. Since it's summertime, I like to go a little bit more heavy-handed with this product just to make sure her hair is properly coated. And then we will follow that up with the Africa's Best Super Maximum Strength Super Grow Hair and Scalp Conditioner. I'm going to grease her scalp and grease the length of her hair, and then we'll move on to the actual styling process. And she's just getting two ponytails, and they will be in 3-strand twists. This is an ideal style. It's quick, it's easy, and she can wear this for a few days. You just have to tie the hair up at night and make sure that it is intact. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing in these next few clips. And always remember, once you have applied your products, make sure that you are brushing it through so that it is properly distributed. So I am just greasing the length of her hair, and then I'm going to brush the products through. This will include the pink oil as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and do her ponytails which I'm using some black rubber bands to secure the hair at the base before I begin the twisting process. I want to mention some of the tools that I'm using as well. For parting, I'm using the Evolve rat tail comb, and for combing out the hair or brushing the hair, I'm using the Tangle Buster. It's the generic Felicia Leatherwood that I got from Amazon, as well as a boar bristle brush for her edges or her hairline. So that's the tools that we're using, as well as some hair clips that you saw previously. So yeah, moving on, I'm just finishing the other side. So yeah, on her hair, I like to do 3-strand twist a lot because her hair unravels easily. So by doing them this way, it's almost like a rope type of twisting. So it seems to hold her hair a little bit better. So yeah, that's why I am doing the 3-strand twists, just in case you're wondering. These 3-strand twists also give you a nice curl pattern once you take them down. So this is almost like a 2-in-1 hairstyle as well, if I did want her to wear her hair loose. So yeah, I am adding some Eco Styler Professional Styling Gel right here to those edges. So yeah, guys, this is the finished look. We do want to thank you all for stopping by today. We really appreciate your time and energy. We hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace and love. And as always, be blissful. And yes, Robin is a little upset, but she'll be okay. So yeah, guys, see you later.
DJ Mike C on the track.
Cause that be natural.
Lady D.
Ain't looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm so nappy.
M.O.B.
Cause that be
The
natural. Ain't
infamous.
looking tacky. Cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so faboo, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, fucking these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is cheering on that cartoon, and I'm sitting on top of these buffoons. I'm so natural, I'm I'm comfortable in